या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दुर्गारूपेण संस्कृता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। जगदीश्वरे दया करो मातेश्वरे कृपा करो मां। जगदीश्वरे दया करो जय Any more again for offerings? So it seems as though everybody. प्रेम से बोले श्री आदिशक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। So devotees and friends, I thought this evening I may not have had the opportunity to do any reading. We'd just do a few chants and have the 1 hour close for this evening. Because for this Navratri, puja is most important. And we want you all to be here to perform your puja. We will have the main srotas. Roshan will be there right through every evening, but we will have people changing here. But every evening, each evening, you can bring your Sahari Lapsi fruits, and we will make sure that you offer there to Devi Durga Ma before the evening is over. You know, we want those who to make their offerings try and come a little bit earlier so that we could capture a few minutes reading. As it is today, I will just be able to just do maybe a 15 minutes, and then our time will reach for Arti. So at this point, may you all put your hands together and pray to that Divine Mother. Oh Divine Mother, on this first night of your 9 nights of devotion, Prathama Ratri, we come to you. We, your children, are here to you. Listen to our prayer this evening, O Ma. Listen to our prayer. सर्वमंगले मंगल्ये शिवे सर्वैर्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबिके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेते न संस्कृतं नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्येन संस्कृतं नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्कृतं नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्कृतं नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ॐ जयन्ती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवे धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते। सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा Divine Mother, this evening we come to you. Please listen to our prayer this evening, O Divine Mother. We come to you from this wonderful hill here on 56 Mapipi Road, Whiteland. O Divine Mother, listen to our prayer. Listen to our prayer, O Divine Mother. We, your children, surrender ourselves to you this evening. Please listen to our prayer. पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया, सुनो मेरे देवी। पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया, सुनो मेरे देवी। पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki, and that mother is there waiting to listen to your prayer this evening, children of God. And this evening, we're going to do a wonderful katha this evening. And this katha will tell us all about how to worship that Divine Mother Durga. प्रेम से बोले श्री रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। आदि शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु सरस्वती रूपेण संस्कृतं, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। Let me hear everybody. जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता अम्बे हरि बोल। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी। जय जय देवी जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। राजा बोले हे भगवान, अब मुझे उन देवी की अर्धनां विधि भाली भंती बताइए जय देवी मां। सतही पूजा विधि हवन की, विधि और मंत्रा भी बैठाइए। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। ऋषि बोले हे राजन, सुनिए मैं उनके पूजन की शुभ विधि भांतता हूँ। जो मनुष्यों को काम मोक्ष और ज्ञान को देने वाले तान, उनके दुखों का नाश करने वाली है। जय श्री देवी, जय जय मां। मनुष्य को सर्वप्रथम विधि पूर्वक स्नान करके पवित्रो कुयो श्वेत वस्त्र धारण कर लेने चाहिए। तत्पश्चात वहाँ समाधनि पूर्वक आचमन करके पूजा स्नान को शुद्ध करने के भात लिए हुए भूमि पर उत्तम आसन भिक्षा कर उस पर भयता जाप और प्रसन्न होकर विधि पूर्वक 3 बार आचमन करे। अपनी शक्ति के अनुसार पूज ध्रया को शुभाभस्तिता ढंग से रखा कर प्राणायाम कर ले। उसके भांत भूति शुद्धि करके और पुण्यम मंत्रा पढ़ा कर समस्ता पूजन समग्र का प्रक्षण करके। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवा, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
आदिशक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय। So devotees and friends, the great king is asking of the Lord, O Bhagwan, kindly narrate to me in details the methods of how to serve the goddess and the mantras that are used on such occasion. And the Rishi said, O king, O Rajan, Suniye, listen. I am now describing the method of how to worship Goddess Durga Ma. When you worship, and the method I'm going to give to you, so devotees and friends, we are starting this Navratri, and I want you to be very specific. If you come in here just for leisure time, tell the mother you're coming here for leisure time. If you come in here to pass the few minutes, tell her you're coming here to waste a little time because I fed up at home. You know? She will help you still to like home after. If you're running away from the children or the husband or the wife, tell her that. but we be very specific. So, my dear friends, this is what the Lord now is telling to us. He's giving us specific. He says, "Hey Rajan, I am now describing the method of how to worship the goddess. Please listen. This worship would lead to fulfillment of all desires." So, devotees and friends, that is what I'm telling to you. You know, you feel that I was making a joke in the beginning in that first line when I said that. But the very first thing that it says, this will fulfill your desires. And where your desires come from? Your desires doesn't come from the words. Your desire come from your heart. So before the end of this 9 evenings, you must offload all of those material hindrances and obstacles from your heart. And my dear friends, you will be able to travel your path to reality. So it says, this leads to fulfillment of all desires. This devotion too leads one out of bondage. It liberates one out of bondage and bring you to self-realization. So this is two things already we come across. What this devotion will do for you, but you will hear a little later again, how must it continue? So it tells to us again, fulfillment of desires, liberating one from the bondage of these worldly settings and lead us to self-realization or moksha. That's 2. And the third thing, my dear friends, it will destroy all your miseries. Miseries is something nobody wants to have. Miseries is when you would hold your head and knock it on the wall to see the dhuni pachitai, kalahi karmahi ishwarahi. Lord, what have I done? Lord, what you are doing to me? And we blame God, you know. So devotees and friends, it says devotion to this Divine Mother will remove all miseries. To start with, before the devotion, the devotee must take a bath. The devotee must take a bath. This is not me talking now. This is Book 5, chapter 34 of the Bhagavatam, and it says, to start the worship, we must take a bath, and the devotee must put on white clothing. You know, and you know, Krishna was saying that since the Hanuman that we connecting, you know, because this evening when I came up to put these murtis on, we came to do the installation. What color clothes you think Krishna had on? White. Me tell him nothing, you know. He come this evening for devotion. What color clothes did he have? White. But my dear friends, you see the colors. The colors, my dear friends, attract the worldly things. And this is the reason why white is the highest form of clothing, the color of clothing we should wear. So he says here, you know, and today I'm going to put on a blue, But when I pull the blue, no one brighter than that. When I pulled the blue, I see it wanted a little ironing, and I said no. To sit down on the singhasan here, I ain't going to iron, and it wouldn't. But my dear friends, my point now, the worshipper has to perform his devotion after taking a bath and putting on white clothes. And then he will have to perform his Vedic and Tantric Sandhya. The Sandhya that we talk about, my dear friends, is what we simply do here, the pujas and so on. So you perform that with the archman and so on. But devotees and friends, it tells to us, then the devotee, with his heart controlled, should perform his archman's ceremony and select a good auspicious site for his own puja purposes. Remember, I told you all sometime what we are doing, the Ganesh Puja? And I told to you all that when you're doing jap, and I'm not saying don't do it when you're driving your motor car, but that is not jap. That is sumiran. That is chanting the name of the Lord. So it will help you cleanse the mind also. But my dear friends, to reap the benefit of the Devta that you are doing the jap on, all the Puranas tells us the same thing. All the Bidhi tells us the same thing. We must select a good auspicious site to do your puja for puja purposes. So devotees and friends, then next, he should always, plaster or dab or do the lippering of that spot with cow dung. And that, my dear friends, is the gobar. The gobar, my dear friends, and this is what, Beverly, we have to use the gobar for. The gobar is a purifying, it's a purifying element. It's a purifying thing. Today, with the advent of all these feeds and how they're making the feed and all of that, I tell devotees, choose your cows to use the gobar or otherwise use saffron. And so, my dear friends, there on that spot that you will now lipi with the gobar, there you will put your seat, your asana, your carpet to sit upon. And what is the important reason, or what is the purpose of lipping that spot? It is not because today you will tell me, yes, Pandit, Camille will say, Baba, we have what they call it, boy? Where is Mop Witna? Pine sol, and this sol, and that sol. And I mop the place with that. But yes, that is good too. We need to do that. But my dear friends, in moving in this environment and all environments, there are negative vibrations. You don't feel it because you have a good bit of positive with you. But my dear friends, when you leap at that spot with the gobar and you put your mat there and you sit there, no negative vibrations from the outside will come to penetrate you to interfere with your devotion. None. That is the reason why Garud Puran tells to you where you are going to put the coffin of your loved one to perform the funeral rites and so on. You must leap that with the gobar. For the mere reason, it says where you leap it, remember, when you have a death into a house, the house becomes chutichar for 10 days. That is according to the Garud Puran. Some people tell us we become unclean for 1 year. I don't believe that. Because the book says 10 days. It says 10 days in birth and 10 days in death. I grew with the concept from my father and from my nana that when birth takes place, 21 days, you're not having anything there. But when I read, I saw it's 10 days. But because, my dear friends, I have grown into this, and this have been a tradition which our older people maintain. I respect their tradition and their maintenance, and I am not going to interfere with it. So I'm telling to you, if you are accustomed doing your 21 days, yes, fine. If after you have a loved one and they die, and you want to do, after the 13th day, you want to light that deer every evening on the entrance, and you would not eat any meat, fish, or drink any alcohol for the year, fine. But don't tell me after 13 days you want to go back to a life as normal, but the only normal you're not going back to is praying to God. Hindus, wake up. Wake up. Prem Sabari Shri Ram Chandra Bhagavan ki. So devotees and friends, it tells to us here, this is the purpose of having the place sleepy with the cow down, with the gobar, so that it will water away all the negative things. And I want to tell to you, you might see it in a different light, but children of God, when you hear, sometimes you are ready to do your devotion, what happens? Your mind starts straying all over the place. You think that by mistake your mind can't focus? No. It's because of, my dear friends, the negative influences that are all around us. It infiltrates our minds and cause our mind to behave in a certain manner. Prem Sabari Sri De Ad Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. So devotees and friends, our Katha continue to tell to us, that we should be able, the very next thing it says, is that you need to do pranayama. You need to regulate your breath before you start your devotion, And this is what I was telling to you some evening back, that all the yogas must be integrated. Yeah. This is the Hatha Yoga part of it. So when you take, and you keep now, don't believe that doing that pranayama, that deep breathing, is just only for your lungs to work well. No. It is for your breath to have a rhythm. It must have a rhythm. When you are chanting the mantras, the mantra must flow with that rhythm of the breath. You take in and you recite, Om Bhur Bhuva Svatat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Na Prachodayat. And while you're releasing with the mantra again, Om Bhur Bhuva Svatat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Na Prachodayat. And then you relax it there. You recite one mantra again and then you pull again. And so, my dear friends, you will be building that rhythm. You see? You will be building the rhythm. So it is important for you to do that deep breathing before you start your devotion. Devotees and friends. And very, very important, it tells to us that Matrika Nyas is very, very important. Matrika Nyas. What is Matrika Nyas? Matrika Nyas, my dear friends, anybody wants to make a guess? Matrika Nyas. Before you do any puja, Matrika Nyas is very, very important. And what that means? That means preparing yourself mentally. You get more benefit, my dear friends, if you offer all the Saharian Lapsidia for Devi Durga Ma, and while you offering it, your mind is somewhere else. So you must prepare that mind mentally and focus, keep that one point on what you're about to do. And that is something hard to do. That is something very, very difficult to do. So devotees and friends, it then tells us that we must then do Bhut Suddhi. Bhut is not devil and spirit. Bhut Siddhi, my dear friends, is the earthly things. So it says, then you must dissolve the earth into the water, water into the fire, fire into the air into ether, ether into ahamkar, ahamkar into mahat, and then into prakriti, and then the final cause. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki. So what it is telling to us, must I take this physical body of mine? This is what it's telling to us here, my dear friends, that Bhut Suddhi is what we do. The first 5 is what we do, and that's the same order we does it when you are making your final walk to the pyre. Somehow you cannot make the walk, but your children and your children will, friends and well-wishers, will be walking you to the pyre. And that 5 is what takes place. We ask of the Lord for earth to return back to its respective place, but this is how it dissolves. Earth into water, water into fire, fire into air, air into ether. Ether into the ahamkar. This now is for us to do. How are you going to do that? My dear friends, so you have to start dissolving all those great earthly desires, and you placed it into the water of purification. And then you put the water of purification to burn, fire, where it will steam up and go into the air, and then it will fill the whole environment. There will not be a space that is empty. So the ether is the empty space out there. Devotees and friends, this is how we have to do that Bhut Siddhi to get the maximum benefit out of the Devis. So worshiping the Devis, my dear friends, may sound a very simple thing, but we have to make efforts. We have to put so much into it. Prem se bole Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata ki Jai. Devotees and friends, and then Pandit, or you can do your own sankalp on this day, in this tithi, in this month, and this year. I perform this puja to you, O Divine Durga Mata. My dear friends, we should draw on the beri that yantra of 8 petals, And the eight petals mantra, my dear friend, yantra, is one of the most powerful mantra, yantra that you can get. Eight petals. Eight petals, my dear friends, comes in such a way. It will protect you from bhoot. It will protect you from enemies. It will protect you from natural disasters and all of them. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. So devotees and friends, it continued to tell to us that then we will choose one of the mantras and we will be ready to do the worship. So it continued to tell to us, jap. Jap is very, very important. Devotees and friends. So what happens? When the Navratri starts, devotees and friends, we hardly make time for the Devis. And what am I saying? We continue to rush, my dear friends, and fight with our daily routine to be here. And that is good also. But my dear friends, on your day of devotion, if you cannot manage the whole 9 days, you see, on that 8th day of the Navratri, you make sure that you pray to the Divine Durga Mata 3 times, morning, midday, and in the evening. If for the whole Navratri you can worship to her 3 times per day, it is best, and that is what is recommended. Mantra. So repetition of the name of the Divine Devi is very, very important. Om Durga Durgati Rakshani Rakshani Matayi Namah. If you do 1080 times, which is 10 malas, in jap of that mantra each day, then 10% of that must be in Havan. 10% of the Havan will be 108. Then 10% of that must be done in Jal offering. And that will be 10.8, which is 11. And then out of that, you should feed at least one Brahmin. Prem se bole Shri Ramchandra Bhagavan ki jai. And this is the devotion. This is how the cycle of the devotion takes place. Each morning the tarpan must be offered also. So devotees and friends, it is more and more detailed that I can give to you. So tomorrow evening, I will go into the devotion of the fortnight. In the bright fortnight, this 9 days of devotion in the month of Ashwin and the month of Chait, we will deal with the Navratri as placed here in the Devi Puran for us. It says when you observe the Navratri, it says you will be able to get your desires of wealth and everything else. You will destroy all enemies and so on. You will be able, man or woman, you will be able to gather so much things. The devotees and friends, tomorrow we will continue with this. It tells us, worshipping Devi Durga in this Navratri, it brings great results to all of us. I cannot continue because it is now time that we will do Arati, because I believe everybody will do Havan. We complete the Hawan. Everybody did Hawan? All right, so I think all who made your offerings here, you did a little Hawan. So we will do the Arti now, or you have final Hawan Pandit. Right. Yeah, so we will close now. We will do the Arti, and we are close to our hour. We started a little after 7 with the reading. So, my dear friends, I started 7:15, and it's now 5 to 8. But I want to give you enough time to reach home. So let us all please stand. Main Shruters, take your one coconut so that we can crack. And all those who brought your coconuts, come with your coconut now. All devotees who have your coconut, come forward. You all pray now in your own words. Om Sri Krishna Krishna Sagyai Pavitya Mamasya Vidya Pradveshi Bala Kalipate Saptame Vaivas Manuantar Kalipatam Charane Jambu Dvipe West Indies Kande Arivat Arike Desh Antargati Trinidad Desh Namo Narayanayi Namo Namaha Om Sri 56 Mapipi Road Whiteland Kshetra Grame Bhautavatari Tarparahi Namo Narayanayi Namo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat. Each one of you keep your name in the mind. Namayaham, whatever wish you have for Devi Durga, you keep it now. Om Sri Dehik Devik Bhautik Tapatre Nirvamartya Devi Grahara Shimani Madhava Hari Om Tat Sat. Prem Sabali Sri Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. Crack your coconut. Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadra Kali Kapalini Durga Chama Shive Dhatri Swaha Swadha Namastute Adi Shakti Devi Durga Mata Ki Jai. सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारन पाया सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारन पाया तेरा पारन पाया हूँ मैं तेरा पारन पाया हूँ मैं सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारन पाओ
सुनो मेरे
देवी
पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारन पाया
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियों ले तेरे भीत चढ़ाया पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियों ले तेरे भीत चढ़ाया हो मैं बोल
सुनो
मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारण पाया सुनो मेरे देवी
पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पारन पाया
ये नंगे पग तेरे आगे आया सूने चक्र चढ़ाया पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियों ले तेरे भीत चढ़ाया कलियुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य में, कलियुग राज सवारा, पान सुपारी त्वचा नारियो, ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया। हरि बोल। सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया। सुनो मेरे देवी
पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया।
कलियुग द्वापर त्रेता मध्य में, कलियुग राज सवारा, पान सुपारी त्वचा नारियो, ले तेरे भेंट चढ़ाया। हो मैं वो सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया। हे!
सुनो मेरे देवी पर्वतवासिनी, तेरा पार न पाया।
जय जय देवी, जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। जय जय देवी, जय जय मां, जय जगदम्ब भवानी मां। अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी बोल।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी,
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी।
अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी बोल। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी, अम्बे भवानी माता, अम्बे भवानी। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी ओ। जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी, जय 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 जगदम्बा भवानी ओ। I'm going to change. जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ बोल। जय जगदम्बे
दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
दुर्गे माँ, जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ, जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ, जय
दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ, जय दुर्गे माँ।
ओ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे
दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
नारायणी ओम, नारायणी ओम, नारायणी ओम, नारायणी ओम, नारायणी ओम,
नारायणी ओम, नारायणी ओम,
नारायणी ओम, नारायणी ओम, जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय
दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ।
ओ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय
जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम नारायणी ओम। जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे ये दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे
माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ।
ओ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे
दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
ओ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे
दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
ये दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे
माँ जय दुर्गे माँ, दुर्गे माँ जय दुर्गे माँ।
ओ जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ, जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
जय जगदम्बे दुर्गे माँ।
सुनो मेरी देवी. Putting their hands together, closing the physical eyes. So, सुनो मेरे देवी, पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पारण सुनो मेरी देवी. Oh my देवी, please listen. मेरे देवी पर्वत वासिनी, तेरा पारण पाया. Oh divine mother, we your children come to you this evening. Oh divine mom, we have given you pan, supari, pool. We have charhawe our heart to you, O divine mother. This evening, O divine mother, whatever be your children's desire, you know what is in the hearts of all, and you know what we wish for most, O divine mother. Once it is fitting to us, once it will lift us, grant us our wish this evening, O Ma. O divine mother, you have never failed us in the past, and we have faith in you this evening, that we know that you will touch us in a very special way. As we come from this Parvat, we come from this wonderful hill here at 56 Mapipi Road into Whiteland. Devotees and friends, surrender yourself to the Divine Mother. Those who are viewing us on Pandit Vishnu Live, those who are viewing us on www.dharam ki Awaaz, those who are viewing us on YouTube, Dharam ki Awaaz, pray wherever you may be. This is where you are. This is Mapipi Road in Whiteland, coming to you wherever and whichever part of the world you may be. Pray. as we send our love to you, ask of that Divine Mother to touch each and every one in a very special way. पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारण पाया, सुनो मेरे देवी। पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारण पाया। ओम असतो मा सते गमया, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। ओम त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुं च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्यां द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवम्। ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम। आदिशक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की, शंकर भगवान की, ओम सनातन धर्म की, ओम श्री गुरुदेवता की, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय जय। सीताराम to all. Please have your seat. Arti Prasad and refreshment will reach you in a very quick time so that you can leave by 20 past and you will still have